The non-negative or positive square root of a number is called the principal square root of that number. The radical sign, shown here, indicates the principal square root of the number under the sign, and that number under the radical sign is referred to as the radicand. When we say the square root of a number, we mean the principal or positive square root. And in this first example, they're asking us to find the square root of 9, which means we're looking for that principal or positive square root, which will be 3, since 3 times 3 is equal to 9. We're undoing the squaring of that number, and our check here would be 3 squared is equal to 9. If we want a negative square root, we will see a negative sign in front of the radical, which is telling us to take the opposite of the square root of 81. What number times itself equals 81 is 9, and the negative sign here is telling us to take the opposite. So the opposite of the square root of 81 is negative 9, and our check is negative 9 squared does equal the 81, which is the quantity underneath the radical, in other words, the radicand, and our negative then comes from the indication of wanting the negative root.